Hey everyone, Naturalist Josh here with the Forest Preserve District of Kane County, having some fun doing our Nature in a Nutshell series. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about the important role that decomposers play in our woodlands, like this fungus here. Decomposers are organisms that help to break down dead organic material, like this big old log here. They can include creepy crawly critters like snails and slugs and beetles and ants, but a large portion of our decomposers are fungi. And here we see the fruiting body of a fungus here. Most of its life force are released in hyphae, which are like the roots of the fungus inside this log. They release digestive enzymes and help to break this down and convert it into healthy soil. Decomposers help to return nutrients back into the soil. And here we have a beautiful turkey tail fungus, so named because of the pretty bands that occur on the surface. Puffballs are a common fungus in our woodlands here in Kane County. They can release millions of tiny little spores that have the potential to make a new fungal colony out here.